Welcome to Audiophile. Today, let's dive into a quick and powerful trick for achieving tight, punchy low end in your live mixes. No fancy software needed. Start by playing a solid low end sound, like a kick drum or a sine wave around 80 to 100 Hz, right at your crossover point. Next, flip the polarity of your subwoofer output. If you're using a digital console like the Yamaha CL5, you can do this directly on the matrix output. Now, slowly add delay to your subs while keeping the polarity flipped. As you increase the delay, pay close attention. You'll notice the low end getting weaker. You're searching for that sweet spot of maximum cancellation, where the bass almost disappears. Once you find that point, flip the polarity back to normal. What you'll hear is the sub and top hitting at the same time, resulting in a tight, focused low end. This works because when the subs are out of phase and perfectly aligned, they cancel each other. Flip the polarity back and boom, perfectly in phase. Fast, easy sub alignment, no measurement tools needed. Use this trick before sound check or during setup, and watch your mix instantly tighten up.